Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely, right? So in this video, I will show you 2 steps that you need to complete in order to get your setup wizard to start installing Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your PC, then go to disk C. Usually is on this your Epic Games traces is on disk C, and then you just need to go to program files, look for Epic Games, and delete all the files related to Epic Games. Right click, delete, then go to program files x86 here and look for Epic Games folder and delete folder if there is in this particular file right here. Just delete it, right? And the next step what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager, right click on the Windows icon, then you need to open up Task Manager, then you need to look for a startup apps, then here you need to look, select a run new or create new task, and here you need to put a code. Here you need to write, as you can see here, msyexec.exe, right? And then you need to make sure to create this task with administrative privileges, and then you need to hit browse, right? Hit browse. Then you need to look where your Epic Games setup is. For me, is on desktop. Then make sure programs is selected, not programs, but all files here. Then you need to look for Epic Games installer, hit open, and then here you need to select OK, right? And Epic Games folder should automatically, as you can see here, should automatically open up, and then you can just hit install, right? And that's basically it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.